Greetings, algebra. Another equation, another problem, solving by factoring. Video 3 in this series, I believe. Still wearing Under Armour. Still no call. Time to do some algebra. Why is this a quadratic equation? Right. Squared. Second degree. Quadratic. How do we solve a quadratic equation by factoring? What's the first step? Set it equal to 0. Good. You watched the second video and the first video. It needs to be equal to 0. We need the 10x on this side. Subtract 10x to the other side. Now, I could subtract the 4x squared to that side. I don't want a negative leading coefficient. Makes it harder. I like things to be easier. Why not make it easier if you can make it easier? 4x squared minus 10x equals 0. Now we need to factor this. It's the first type of factoring that we learned. GCF. What goes in the 4 and 10? 2. X squared and x. We can pull out an x. We're doing the reverse of the distributive property. 2x times what is 4x squared? 2x times what is 10x? All right. 2 times 2 is 4. X times x squared. 2x negative 5 there. Now we've got two factors. Once you factor it, same thing as second example. Same thing as the first example. What's going to make this equal to 0? 2x equals 0. 2x minus 5 equals 0. Divide both sides by 2, x equals 0. Add 5 to both sides. Divide both sides by 2, x equals 5 divided by 2. I must have done something wrong. Fractions are numbers. 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. Remember back in the day when we were graphing and we were having to estimate where the x-intercept was? That's the x-intercept, 2.5. We don't have to estimate. We graph this parabola. We are going to have an x-intercept at 0 and another x-intercept at 2.5. 1, 2.5. And our parabola will look like that. Remember, the solutions are when y is equal to 0. They're the x-intercepts of our parabola. Whoops. All right. Questions? Post them on the stream on the Google Classroom. We'll have a class Zoom later on this week. Hopefully these videos will help you do some of the problems on the worksheet. Let me know if you guys have any questions or suggestions. Hopefully you're watching the videos and enjoying them. And I'll probably post something on the class stream to get you guys some points so that I know you watch the videos.